Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody wants to reduplicate this logo. You can see it's really fuzzy picture. I think I've come pretty close. My M might not be the same text, but that could be remedied. Well, actually the C in the same thing too. So you need to find that text, but that's not, I'm just using Arial Black. So what we're going to do, I normally would envelope the word, but since we have to have this roof and a floor on it, I think it would be better to make a rectangle about that size, go in and turn it into a curve, take the shape tool, take these two nodes right here and right click and add a node. I'm actually going to take, it always adds two. I'm going to take that away. While holding down the control button, you can make your house whatever pitch you want. You could actually, if this picture was taken straight on, you could probably use it, but you really can't. Now it's too long on the bottom, so we can take the shape tool, holding down the control button so it's perfect. Don't worry about the roofing part right now. I'm going to click on the Armco word, go up to effects and envelope, get the envelope tool, and then go right here to create from envelope form and put it in there. Now I'm going to select them both and I'm going to go EC. Well, I selected the roofing too. So let's just select both those and EC, and that puts it in the center. Now this is off. You can see the roof is not on the letters. So we're going to take this same roof and actually we're going to go ahead and, nope, not going to stretch it. Get your shape tool and put it back, make it a little longer. I was just doing that so the word could stay in there. Seeing it, you hold down the control button, it'll snap right below it. Now we're going to take that graphic and we're going to open up the contour docker. We could actually do it a couple of different ways, but the contour docker is going to be perfect. To the outside with square corners, 0.2 of an inch. And that's probably about good. Object, break, contour apart. Let's go ahead and get rid of our red line. And then we only need the top and the bottom of this contoured part. I'm not worried about the thickness yet. I'm going to hit it with the shape tool. I'm going to select both those nodes. I'm going to right click my mouse and hit break apart. Right click, break apart. And by doing that, now my virtual segment delete key will delete those lines. Now they're still together, so now we can make them whatever thickness we want. And I'm saying that's about good. Now we want the roofing word the same length as this word. So if you look, it's 5.731. So we're going to go right here with a ratio lock, 5.731. Now it's the same length as this. Couple of ways you could do it. Tell you what, let's bring in an indexing line and hit right there at the middle of that M. And then we can take this and get the center point right there and have it like snapped right to there. And I think we're really done. This could be, now if you need to change this line and bring it up a little bit, go up to object and break the curve apart. Then we can set our nudge factor on like 0.1, and you can nudge that line up if you think it needs to be a little bit closer. Take away the indexing lines, and with the exception of the font, I've never seen that. I've seen M's like that, and you could reproduce this, if you had to, and if you need help doing that, even the G is a little different. And I don't even know, are they doing it for this company? Because that company already has a logo, so maybe they're just wanting to make it look like that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.